Hi, today we're going to talk about hex color codes. What is a hex color code? A hex color code is a 6-digit code, hence hex, right? That a computer recognizes as a color. Now, hex codes are great because they allow you to customize, especially when you're using Google, right? So you can see here, I'm just in a regular slide deck, okay? But if I wanted to change the color of my text box, I come up to my fill, and then under here, I can click on custom. From custom, I find a place for me to insert my hex code, all right? Now, if I drag here, I can see that that hex code changes, right? If I know the specific hex code that I wanted to use, let's say I was looking for black, right? I can also type it in. Notice I didn't have to use the pound or the little hashtag. All right. This is one way that we can customize. Also, if you find a color that you really like, you can save that hex code to use later on. So if I liked this color red, I make my text box this red, but then I also want to make, let's say, the header on my Google site that color, I can just come to the banner color and I can also add custom colors here. So I could just get rid of that hex code, paste my new hex code, and hit enter, and it will change my banner to that color red. Now, what if you want to pick a color from a website because you want to make sure that you're using that specific color? That's where our extension Colorzilla comes in handy. All right. Once you have your Colorzilla for Chrome extension, you can use it to grab colors off of pages. So let's say I was on my site and I wanted to make sure that the blue in Google matches the blue in my banner exactly, right? So I just pick a color from the page, right? So I see I can, if I hover over the colors, right? So I want this blue color, I can click on it and it'll copy it to my clipboard, right? Now when I go into my banner color, click on custom, paste in this new code that I've received. Now my banner matches the same blue as in the Google logo that's on my website. So that's how we can use color hex codes to make all of our work awesome.